welcome back friends. Today in this video we will be seeing how to make digital notes for UPSC Civil Service exam, and we will be using the Evernote software. So keep watching this video. So first we will search for the news for which we want to make notes. So we'll open our newspaper The Hindu and we will be searching for important news for the exam. So this is the local city page, which is not much of a use for us, and this is the state news. This is also not much of use, and then this is the editorial. Now editorial you can make notes, but however this video could become very long if we make notes from the editorial section. So we will be searching for some short news so that you can easily understand how to make notes in the Evernote. And this is the national news section. Here also I don't think anything is worth taking notes from now, so we will flip to the next page. And here also, and here we can see that an environment section, a news is there for environment section. It is saying the big flap golden birdwing is India's largest butterfly. Now such type of questions usually come in the UPSC examination. So what we will do is, since we will be making digital notes, we cannot just copy it from the newspaper. So we have to open it in the Hindu website, and then we will be making notes from it. So first we will open the website of The Hindu, and then we will go to the national news section. That is where we will get the butterfly news thing. So we are in national news. Now we have to search for that butterfly news. So I think it is this one only. Yeah, a big flap golden butterfly, yes, this news. So we will open that link, and so we will get this news article. So now what we have to do is, we will copy all these things, like from the first to the last. So we will copy the whole news article, and then we will paste it in the Evernote software. So I'll go to my current affairs notebook, and then I will create a new note. As you can see, there are many notebooks for me because I have been preparing this for a while. So you can also use Evernote efficiently if you want to collect all your notes at one place. So I will create a new note and I will place it in that 2020 July, since we are creating this current affairs news for this month. I'll select that notebook. These all notes are created, and then we will be highlighting what are the important parts of the article. So do this from the UPSC exam point of view. Don't just highlight all those things which are redundant and unnecessary for the exam. Only the important things like locations, places, features, characteristics, such things only you have to highlight. So as you can see, I have highlighted only the necessary things, and whatever unnecessary I will be deleting them, since I have no use of it. And this paragraph is also unnecessary, so I will be deleting all those unnecessary things. And you have to select yourself, like for this news article I may be highlighting some small things, but for another news article which may be considerably important, you have to highlight more things. So it depends on the news article. So the female goldwing is larger than the male. That is one important thing. Okay, this butterfly measurement thing is also unnecessary, I think. Like UPSC won't ask how they measure butterflies. Okay, and this para is about how Brigadier Evans discovered that southern birdwing in 1930s. So this is also unnecessary. So yeah, these 5 lines is what is necessary in that news article. So now we will select all and go to these bulleted points. Press Ctrl space so that it aligns itself. It simplifies the format, and then you can highlight it with red color to exaggerate the more important points of the news article. And then you can rename the title, like I will be keeping golden birdwing is now India's largest butterfly. So yeah, you can customize your title so that you can easily recollect while you are doing revision of the current affairs. And I will also keep tags like this belongs to GS3 section, this also belongs to environment section, and this also is a national news. So you can create tags and you can assign them to the various notes. Like I have created so many notes here, you can see. So this is an easy way, and also you need not carry heavy notebooks with you every time for making current affairs notes. So yeah, this was about how to make notes using Evernote. And also this digital notes has a feature of you can even paste images. So I will copy this image and I will paste it in my note. Give a good impression about how you will be able to memorize that fact. So I have pasted this golden birdwing photo here also. So this was about how to make notes in digital notes using Evernote. If you have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and similarly you can also subscribe to this channel to get similar videos. Also, if you have any queries, you can post it in the comment section. So thank you friends for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.